this spirit spoon for this one.
A homemaker in the kitchen, pots clinking, cooking up love flavors, never shrinking. She adores her man, feeds him like a king. Her heart in the meals, that's where the magic's been. Her love on the stove, passion in every bite. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine, hearts intertwined in the dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green, filling their souls, a love supreme.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Today is a Valentine's Day, and Jade just went to work, so I'm going to show you what I picked up during these past few weeks for Valentine's Day. I'm making him a special meal tonight, and we're going to just stay home and have a wonderful meal together. I'm not really into the marketing of all the Valentine stuff, so I don't really go out and buy the, Valentine goodies and the Valentine flowers and things like that, right? I'm more about just staying home and having a nice romantic dinner. So let me show you what I'm making tonight. For tonight's dinner, we are having coconut shrimp. I picked these up at the Giant Tiger this week for, I think, $4.97 or $4 something anyways. So there's 20 to 24 shrimp in there. So we'll have that. We're going to have, he's going to have a whole rack of ribs. Hand-cut rack of ribs. And it's the honey garlic flavored. So he's going to be quite happy about that. Hopefully he forgot about that. I put that in the freezer downstairs and I bought it a while back. So he might have forgot that we bought that. So he's getting that for Valentine's Day. And these, he doesn't know they are... and these he doesn't know that he's getting at all because, well, I hid that as well. I picked that up at the Giant Tiger, like I said, and he didn't know I picked them up. And same with the brownies. He has no clue they are here. If he knew they were here, they'd be gone. So, as you know, we're eating a little healthier, so we're just going to have one each tonight, along with some strawberries, milk chocolate strawberries, and milk chocolate blueberries that I got for my birthday. I still have 2 bags left, so we're going to enjoy that tonight. And as a side, I'm going to cook up some Brussels sprouts, thinking of maybe wrapping them in bacon and roasting them in the oven. And that will be dinner tonight for me and my love. I think he's absolutely going to love it. Okay, so I'm making these ribs and they look pretty pathetic. Now I know why they're under $5. Looking pretty rough. Not much there. I thought it was going to be a full rack and it just fell apart like that. But yeah, so I'm just going to put that in the oven along with this, the Brussels sprouts. So I'm just going to put some barbecue sauce on top of it. And I'm going to cut some pieces of bacon instead of wrapping them and just put it in there. So that way it can cook up with the Brussels sprouts instead of wrapping them because I'm too lazy now. Now as for these, I've never tried them before. They're coconut shrimp, but I'm going to do it in the air fryer. I'm going to cook it up in the air fryer. So let's see what they look like. Hopefully they look better than that rack of ribs. Oh, not too bad, guys. There's quite a bit in there. Good size. Just going to put them in the air fryer. So I'm going to use this chicken and rib barbecue sauce on those Brussels sprouts. So I put some on there. First I put some on there and I mixed it up. And I put some more on top. And I'm just going to put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. It's already been in the oven for 16 minutes. So these babies have been in there for 6 minutes. So I'm just going to flip them and put them back in for another 6. And everything should be ready soon. Okay, here's the ribs. They're falling off the bone. They're ready. So while I'm waiting, might as well try one of these coconut shrimp. Very hot. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I love the flavor. Just a hint of coconut. It's not too overbearing. Ugh. Mmm. Mmm. I should go buy some more of those. That is delicious. And for under $5 too. Got this little wing here. That's gonna be good. Well, happy Valentine's. There's my shrimp with Brussels sprouts, or sorry, yeah, Brussels sprouts and bacon and barbecue sauce. And Jay gets his pile of ribs and Brussels sprouts with bacon and a little bit of the coconut shrimp. And of course, we got a sparkling cranberry as a drink. We're not much for alcohol.
No more.
We're not much for alcohol. But yeah, I laughed because he was pretending to do a hiccup thing in the background. So this is dinner. Yum, yum, yum. I can't forget dessert. Oh my God, I almost forgot. So I got the brownies, and instead of those chocolate dipped strawberries and chocolate dipped blueberries, we're gonna have Coco Whip on top of these, along with some strawberries. And that's gonna be dessert tonight. So that way we'll have the strawberries that are dipped in chocolate, the blueberries that are dipped in chocolate for another night. And there's our Valentine's dessert.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.